Diesel drivers, they're a different breed. While everyone else is talking about hybrids and EVs, diesel owners know there's something special about that low-end torque, the rugged reliability, and that unmistakable sound of power. But here's the thing, most people driving diesels don't know how to truly get the best out of them. Today, we're diving into 5 diesel secrets only experienced drivers know. Tips that'll save you money, boost performance, and keep your engine running smoother for years to come. So buckle up, and if you love that smell of diesel in the morning, hit that like button and let's roll. Let's start with something most people completely overlook: fuel quality. Experienced diesel drivers know this: not all diesel is created equal. The cetane rating, the additives, and even the way it's stored can make or break your engine's performance. Low-quality diesel often has more water or contaminants, which leads to poor combustion, injector clogging, and hard starts in the cold. Meanwhile, premium diesel, like the ones labeled performance diesel or ultra-low sulfur with additives, can actually improve throttle response and reduce engine noise. The trick? Stick to reputable fuel stations, preferably the ones with high fuel turnover. That means fresher diesel. And if you're running a performance diesel, using an additive like a cetane booster or anti-gel in winter can make a huge difference. Secret number 2, and this is one that separates rookies from veterans, is all about engine temperature. Unlike gas engines, diesels operate under much higher compression and heat. So when you start your truck on a cold morning, revving it right away is one of the worst things you can do. Experienced drivers always let the engine idle for about 30 seconds to a minute, just enough to circulate oil through the turbo and engine components. And the same goes when you shut it off. If you've been towing or driving hard, let it idle for a minute before turning off. That gives the turbo time to cool down safely, preventing oil coking and premature wear. That small habit can easily add tens of thousands of miles to your turbo's life. Secret number 3, diesel engines perform best under load. This might sound strange, but diesel engines are designed to handle stress. Light driving, short trips, or constant idling can actually do more harm than good. Here's why. Diesels need high temperatures to burn fuel efficiently. If you're always driving short distances, the engine never gets hot enough, which causes carbon buildup in your EGR system and diesel particulate filter. That's why experienced drivers take their trucks for a good highway run every week or two, 20 to 30 minutes at steady speeds. It helps clean out the exhaust system and keeps your DPF healthy. Think of it like a detox drive for your diesel. Number 4, oil is the lifeblood of your diesel, and not all oils are created equal. Experienced diesel owners don't just look at mileage when changing oil, they consider how hard the engine's been working. If you tow, idle a lot, or drive in extreme heat, your oil breaks down faster. That's why pros use high-quality synthetic diesel oil with the correct viscosity grade, like 5W40 or 15W40, and always keep an eye on oil color and level. Here's another insider tip. Black oil in a diesel isn't necessarily bad. It just means it's doing its job trapping soot. The danger is when the oil becomes too thin or smells like fuel, which could signal injector leaks or blow-by. So check your dipstick regularly. That 5-second habit could save you thousands in repair bills. And finally, the most important secret of all, diesel maintenance is all about prevention. Experienced drivers don't wait for problems, they prevent them before they start. That means regularly draining the water separator, cleaning or replacing the fuel filter, and checking glow plugs before winter hits. They also keep an ear out for new noises. That slight hiss or rattle could be the first sign of an injector leak or boost issue. Diesels are tough, yes, but they're also precision machines. The drivers who treat them with consistent care are the ones still running strong at 300,000 miles. So there you have it, 5 diesel secrets that only the pros know. If you just learned something new, drop a comment below with what diesel you drive. Power Stroke, Duramax, Cummins, or something else, and let's see who's got the best setup. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we've got more real driver insights coming your way every week. Until next time, keep your engines running clean, your turbos cool, and remember, drive smart, not hard.